Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Crypto.com on-chain, a platform that enables users to interact with the Cronos blockchain and manage their digital assets securely. To get started, you need to create a Crypto.com account and set up a wallet. First, download and install the Crypto.com DeFi wallet application on your mobile device. Once installed, launch the app and tap on Create a new wallet. Then follow the prompts to set up your wallet, including creating a password and backing up your seed phrase. After setting up your wallet, you can deposit funds into it by tapping on the deposit button and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You will be provided with a deposit address, which you can use to transfer funds from an external wallet or exchange. To interact with the Cronos blockchain, navigate to the dApp browser within the Crypto.com DeFi wallet app. Here, you can access various decentralized applications, including decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and more. When using Crypto.com on-chain, it is essential to understand the concept of gas fees, which are fees paid to validators for processing transactions on the blockchain. You can set your gas fee manually or use the auto gas fee feature to ensure your transactions are processed efficiently. To send cryptocurrency, tap on the send button, enter the recipient's address, and select the amount you want to send. You will be prompted to review the transaction details, including the gas fee, before confirming the transaction. Best practices for using Crypto.com on-chain include keeping your seed phrase secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and being cautious when interacting with unknown dApps or smart contracts. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently use Crypto.com on-chain to manage your digital assets and interact with the Cronos blockchain. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your assets.